Got our new heads on. About to get the bolts in and torque them down. Meanwhile, on bay number 2, we got our cylinder heads installed. Remanufactured cylinder heads, left and right. Special tools installed to lock the cams. We got new timing chains are on. We'll complete setting the timing tomorrow. New tensioner, new guides. We should have this thing fired up by the end of the week. Whew, big job. All right, folks, good morning. Update on the Jaguar, making some progress. Timing is done. Timing cover is on. Upper timing cover is on. Like I said, new chain. We have the cam lock tools off because our timing is set.